The music note you use is from C to G, and the finger numbers are from 1 to 5. I'd like to cut this music in half. So let's start from first part, only right hand first. Put your right hand on C to G. The note you play first, C. C, C, E, E, G, G, E, E. This is the first half part. Let's go together. C, C, E, E, G, G, E, E. Try one more time. C, C, E, E, G, G, E, E. Great. One more time. 1, 2, let's go. C, C, E, E, G, G, E, E. So put the left hand. Left hand is also placed on C to G. When right hand plays C, left hand also plays C. When right hand plays G, left hand also plays G. Look at this. Let's try together, C and C. How do you feel? Let's try one more time. C to C. G. Pretty okay, right? Let's move to the rest of the half. Put your both hands on C and G. Let's see first. We start from right hand. Right hand start from F. F, D, D, C. Great. Try one more time. F, F, D, D, C. Okay, one more time. F, F, D, D, C. Great. Let's put the left hand. When your right hand plays F, left hand also plays F. When right hand plays C, left hand plays E. And E and C. Let's try it together. F. C and E. D, C. Try 2 more times. F and F. Left hand E, D, C. One more time. So why don't we start from the very beginning? We start from both C. C, E, E, G, G, E, E, F, F, D, D, left hand E. Let's try one more time. C and C.